teams, welcome to the Hanalani Ohana Pep Rally.
I just want to thank God first for giving me this opportunity, and I also want to thank my parents and my grandparents especially for stepping up and I guess like coaching for the team.
I'd like to thank our Coach Jeremy, and Coach Max for getting us through the season. I'd also like to thank our parents who supported us along the way and were always there driving us to practice and being there every meet. And we also thank the rest of our teammates who helped us get here. Thank you guys so much.
I just want to say thank you to these girls for working hard and for putting in the work so that we can reap the rewards later. And thank you to Jeremy for coaching us throughout all these years.
I would like to thank God for sustaining us, not just with the strength to run, but with the ability to stay united through every challenge. Ahui ho, malama pono.